This video is to provide an overview of a circuit board that converts magnetic pulse to multi-drop bus or MDB to allow the NIACS and USA Technologies ePort credit card readers to work with the Unitec Wash Select II auto cashier. The parts that come in the package are the circuit board, a bracket for mounting the credit card reader to the face of the Wash Select, and a gasket that goes between the bracket and the Wash Select door. A package of adhesive standoffs that allow you to mount the circuit board within the Wash Select II auto cashier, and some nuts for securing the bracket to the face of the Wash Select II door. And then there's two wiring harnesses. There's a main wiring harness, and then there's a power wiring harness. So a little bit of an explanation about the circuit board itself. On the left-hand side of the circuit board, there's a series of buttons that allow you to program the price for your different wash packages. It's a fairly simple, straightforward process. I'll do a video on that in the future. And then there's two LED lights that assist with this process, so you can see which wash package you're working on, and the amount that you put in, and then the ability to save. There is a chip that contains the software that allows the Wash Select II and the NIACS or ePort credit card modems to communicate with each other, and if anything needs to be updated or is updated in the future, this chip would change and you would just pop it out and put in a new one. There's a series of lights on the board that first off ensure that the board is working. So there's a power light over here, there's an MDB light that should be flashing to show that it's in MDB mode and communicating properly with the credit card reader modem. And then there's another light down here that indicates communication is ongoing too. And then there's a series of lights. The four from right to left here are the different wash packages, so that you know if somebody pushes the wash package one button, this light should light. And these are mainly for troubleshooting and to know that the proper activity is taking place. There's some buttons here that is for future development. Then also at the bottom you have your wire connectors. This is for future development. This is the main wiring harness which will be used. This is the power connector, and this is the multi-drop bus connector, which you connect a cable from the NIACS or ePort modem to, and then this is a DEX connector, which is for future development if necessary. The system works no matter how a customer chooses to select and pay for a wash. So if the customer drives up and they select the wash package first, the number of the wash package will light on the LEDs, and it will be expecting payment that's associated to that wash package. So if you have $6, $8, $10, or $12 wash packages and somebody comes in and selects wash package number 4, your highest wash package, you would see $12 light up on here. Then the customer presents their card either by inserting the chip or swiping, or if they have a contactless card or a phone, or pay by their digital wallet, pay by phone, and then it would take that amount of payment. If a customer comes up and they present payment first, what happens is the board pre-authorizes a credit card for the highest for the dollar value of the highest wash package you have. So if the case that I described, the $12 is the highest, it pre-authorizes them for $12, and then the credit card reader prompts them to select a wash package, So let's say they pre-authorize for 12 and they select the $10 package, then the card only gets charged for $10.